I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to switch from Vodafone to 3 UK and want to keep your number, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Get your PSE code. Contact Vodafone to request your porting authorization code PSE. You can do this via their customer service line or through the Vodafone app. Step 2. Sign up with 3. Once you have your PSE, visit a 3 store or their website to sign up for a new plan. Make sure to provide your PSE during the sign-up process. Step 3. Insert your new eSIM. Before activation, use the s.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier is supported. Step 4. Activate your eSIM. Follow the activation instructions provided with your new eSIM. This usually involves calling a specific number or visiting a website. Step 5. Wait for the transfer. Your number should be transferred within 1 working day. You will receive a confirmation once the process is complete. Keep an eye on your old number to ensure it stops working at the right time. Switching networks can be a hassle, but following these steps should help you keep your number without any issues. Good luck with your new plan.